Hey y'all, Shortbear here with another Codewars challenge. This one is a Python challenge and it's level 8. And so we're going to count of positives and sum of negatives. Okay, so given an array of integers, we want to return an array where the first element is the count of the positive numbers and the second element is the sum of the negative numbers. If the input array is empty or null, return an empty array. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Let's deal with the edge case first. So if the length of this array is 0, let's just return an empty array. Okay. So now what we'll do is we will count the number of positives. So positives is going to be, we're going to sum up a list. So inside of this list, we're going to do 1 for I in array if I is greater than 0. So these are my positives. This is going to be a count of those positives. And then we need to sum up the negatives. So the negatives is going to be sum, and now this time we're going to do I for I in the array if I is less than 0. So the subtle difference here is we're counting the positives, so we only do ones there, but we're summing the negatives. So we actually do the negative number itself. Then we return both of these together. So we will return positives and negatives. And I think it wants us to have this as a list. So I'll just wrap this in square brackets here, okay? Probably better variable names here would be positive count and then negative sum. So I'll just do that real quick. I know I'm nitpicky here with the variable names, but you do want them to make sense when you actually run this. So now we'll test the code. And it looks like that's working. Let's do a full attempt here. And we got it.